Well, I love these naked planes. It's like half a plane where it almost has all the finishings. Which one's this?
So this is the TF-102. So similar to a F-102, which is out on display, except this is, the T is for trainer. So this has a pilot and a co-pilot. It was meant for training. So this has been in our storage hangar for a number of years, and we have 2 volunteers that they only do metal work. So we have nothing for them to do, so we brought this in. We put the stand in here so they can reach up. They're, you know, young, mature gentlemen, so I always say. So they can go ahead and work on this one and do all the metal work. Most of it is right here. And then once they finish the fuselage portion, then we'll bring in a wing at a time. And once they're all ready to be assembled, we'll assemble it. And then it'll be an airplane once again.
I love when it gets it. That's why I said this is kind of my favorite because you really get to see all the inners. I love seeing the finished product, but there's something fun to see, like, because when you see this part and then you see the finished project, you're like,
right, it's like, that was that?
That was
now,
that.
The funny thing about this one, so many people say, this will never be completed. We're going to prove them wrong. So once we bring in a plane, it will, before it ever goes back out, we will finish it so it goes right back on display. No more putting them in, stop working. The shiny new toy doesn't get all the attention anymore. If you're working on this one, work on this one. Leave the other toys.
Project at home that we have, you know, the unfinished project.
Oh, absolutely.
So that when this gets done, it'll get done. So how many, what kind of crew was this?
So this was a pilot and co-pilot. This was strictly for training to teach to fly this aircraft. So the trainer would sit there and the instructor. So we got this one. It was actually used for in fire. So they would cut it out for fire egression to extract people from it. So there are holes in the plane that were caused from them on purpose. We have to close those holes back up.
Wow, that's so impressive when you have that training plane, all the things that you could do with it.
Right, so, and a lot of the pieces were from there, other museums and other storage yards. We've been acquiring piece by piece by piece over the years, and now we have enough pieces to start to put it together.
Do we know how long this was used as a training plane?
I don't know how long this one was.
And what year was this particular model then?
Again, this one just rolled in. I haven't done the research on this particular one, so I couldn't tell you when it was, when it stopped, but it was sitting up at Stockton in the 80s, so probably 70s that it was actually flying as a trainer. And it sat, and then it sat here. So now here it is, finally in the restoration hangar to get some love and attention that it deserves. Give our veterans who are working on the planes a chance to share their knowledge, not only do the work, but to teach others as well.
I think it's funny that it was a trainer when it was alive and it's a trainer in retirement because it's training the crew of how to do this.
Right, right. So the guys that have all the knowledge could share their knowledge. And Pat and John love talking, especially Pat. Pat will talk your ear off, but he shares his knowledge as well. And it's not their work that is the most important, it's the knowledge they have and that they're sharing it on to new generations, because eventually we all get old and we won't be able to do the work. But if they share their knowledge, then they kind of live on.
Right.
You know, you pay it forward.
That is great. So everyone can come and see the restoration during open cockpit. So remember to come and tour out.